Good morning, everyone. Another beautiful day. In fact, it's reveal day. You can check out my 2002 Acura RSX. Gotta do a startup today. See if it actually does start after sitting for at least a month. So far, so good. Ooh. There she goes. Oh yeah. Honda, Acura, always reliable stuff. Dead reliable. Except for this one. You see, I did originally buy this as my daily, because at the time I had my 95 Acura Integra. Now unfortunately that started giving me all kinds of grief and I decided to get rid of it. So that brought me to this beauty becoming, you know, the show car, even though not super showy, not the best shape, but it is actually really decent compared to a lot of the other ones that I see, at least around here. Mostly due to rust. When I was looking for this, it did take me about 2 years to even find one that was half decent and worth getting ready. Yes, it does have rust. It's not that bad though. A little bubbly. Yeah. What are you gonna do? I was planning to get it fixed. Just haven't gotten around to it. You know, a big ricey spoiler. It's a Honda, it's gotta have one. Sounds good. Very good. Helps when you have a newer battery. Acura battery. What? That's the bad boy. Know what she runs. Royal purple. It's amazing how much those labels are peeling after sitting in here. Just the odd tools. Cleaners that I did use, but it gets dusty really quick when they sit. Oddly enough. Bring her up to operating. This is from my old Integra, my last little memento. Nice gold badge. Other than that, it's been okay. Mostly reliable. Just the usual stuff, daytime running light module, strut mounts. What else died on you? Battery, yeah. Not a hell of a lot. I've only put on about 10,000 kilometers since I had it. 178,000 really isn't a lot for 2002. Thanks to my Altima and my other various winter cars I've used, they've really made a good difference on what I can do. But I really don't know what brought me to my trunk, but I figured I'd look in there for some reason. I don't know if you can see that, but it's water. My spare tire compartment. It's new to me, as far as I'm aware. I don't know where the hell that's coming from. nice to figure out. God damn it. I did not think I would be spending my morning putting paper towels in my trunk to get rid of water. I'd love to use my shop vac, but I don't really have all my fun extension cords and stuff. This isn't cooperating with one arm. I hate life. Really not cooperating. Okay, that's something. There we go. Okay, there. Mostly done. Let the weather take care of the rest, even though it's not warm or nice enough to do that. We'll see. Better than a giant pool of water. Anyways. Hatchback life. So, that is my awesome little tour, my Acura